So nothing extravagant, just, you know, get to the ends. You can rub it down, and then you can see like where it is that's like needing to be trimmed. And you want to do that because it helps your hair to not have tangles as well. So you go in there, get some conditioner, rub your hair down, and it will help you to define your hair, and then you can see where it is. So like there's a few in there still, and I'll just go through it, but that's pretty much how I do it. Just to give you a trimming tip. Okay, right here. So wherever it gets thin, right here, right there, and then I'll trim it off. And if you do that, your hair, it'll grow really, really fast because it's not tangled and stuff like that. It should like be able to flow really easily through your hands when you've trimmed it all pretty good. And you shouldn't have any straggly ends. As you can see right here, it's a complete curl, and so that's what you want.